People observe our actions and speech. What they see and hear from us has become the measurement of our totality. Kaya nga, lahat ng ating ginagalawan, lahat ng ating sasabihin, dapat lahat ito'y nakapaloob sa pag-ibig. Pero ang tanong, meron ba tayo nito? Kasi ang isang taong umiibig, mapagmatiis, matyaga, hindi mayabang, hindi siya abusado. Isang mananampalatayang punong-puno ng pag-ibig ni Kristo. Because a godly believer never runs out of love. Because he or she always carries love in his or her heart. For God is love.